Got it here, 5 Kaiser knives. Let's see what they're all about. Doesn't really have a name on it because it has this Amazon labels made in China. So they're pretty cool. I love the packaging. Nice cover holders. This particular knife has a front flipper. Usually you have it in the back, this one in the front. So I guess you hold it like that and just flick it. I'm not used to this kind of flipper, so for the newbie it's not the easiest thing, so you could do it slowly and it's just not flicking out that easy. There you go. Maybe you have to do a little motion like that. Boom. With this knife, I guess it's not so smooth. You have to flick it like that a little bit, at least in my situation. Very interesting. Small knife, everyday carry, unboxing. So 3 fingers for my big hands. Okay, let's see what else we have. I love the boxes. This is mini bay. Holders are pretty nice as well. Wow, that flicks out so well. How do you close it? That's it? You just flick it to open it, flick it to close it. That's quite unique, don't you guys think? This has gotta be the weirdest locking mechanism ever. You just flick it, unbox your boxes. As you can see, it's a couple inches knife. There's a steel name of it, mini bay. Beautiful. But to close it, all you have to do is just push it forward. Boom, boom. Now I wanted to flick it, close it, it just bounced back. Let's see. Oh wow, it works. Just keep your fingers away. That's quite fun. Yeah. It's tight. Whoa, it got really tight. Interesting locking mechanism. And you can just open it and close it slowly. I mean, just close it slowly. So awesome. Okay, next, what we got here? Labels are so bad, so I can't even tell what it says. It's like Amazon labels or something. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, sheepdog. This is like $200 knife, and it's just overbuilt tank over here, whatever you want to call it. Really big, nice pocket clip. Kind of want to use it every day. Look at this flipper. Whoa, it's just so comfortable. Look at the handle. Finger goes in here and 3 fingers. I think it would be really easy to break apart some boxes. Nice, flicks it so well. The steel S35VN, is that the name of the steel? But yeah, this is a sheepdog. I think that's what it's called. Yep, sheepdog knives. And a footprint over there. Quite cool logo. It's so smooth. You see it flies out easily. Don't even have to do any kind of motion to help it out. Really, really smooth knife. Like that one a lot. Probably will use it every day. Break up the boxes and such. Let's see what this one is about. Oh, this one is very weird as well. This should be a title, Weird Knives Ever. I think this is Inversion. That's what it says on the knife. And let's check it out. You open it and you want to hold it this way because it looks like the blade on this side. But the finger grips is on this side. You see it? So that's why it's called Inversion. So very unique and weirdest knife design I've ever seen. So there's burnt on it and stuff, so you gotta hold it this way. I don't know, just in case you wanna have a knife like that. You got it. Inverted knife. I guess you can grab it and cut something. I don't know, just super unique. I like that one a lot. Anything unique, sign me up, because we can title them Weirdest Knives Ever Made. Okay, this label a little bit better. This is Latvian name. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, this one also Weirdest Knife Ever Made. because it has the back flipper, the classic one, and a front flipper. So you can open it the way you want to. So you open it. And also it's smooth compared to the first one. You don't have to do this annoying flicking motion, you know, to kind of help it out. You can just flick it really easily. Takes a little bit of practice, but I like it. Okay, cleaned off the blade a little bit. There you go. There's a name on it and stuff. Nice handle. Small knife. And not super comfortable for my hands. But yeah, I just like it. That you have two little flickers over here. The back and the front. Locking and unlocking mechanisms. Whatever. And it's so smooth. Check this out. If I close it, it just wanna drop. You see it? Flies out so well. I don't think it's assisted or anything, so it's just very, very smooth. Very unique locking mechanism, that's for sure. So there you go. Which one is your favorite? I think if I would have to pick from the unique ones, I think this is 1, then 2 and 3. This is the weirdest ones. This one doesn't open that easily. It is kind of cool, but this one beats this one because it also has front and back flipper. This one just every day. I love that one. Just breaking apart boxes, opening boxes. Very nice. For my big hands, I prefer big knives. But this one is just so unique. I never seen a locking mechanism like that. All you have to do is just push on a blade, that's it. Maybe it's nothing new, just I never seen anything like that. And obviously this one, the Inversion, just strange. I like it. Which one is your favorite?